Welsh horticultural sector made up of about 500 businesses in Wales. That covers both the edible, fruit and veg, plus the ornamental sector. So that covers flowers, trees, employing about 2,500 individuals. In terms of land area, it's only about 0.1% of the total land area in Wales, but that's growing. That's, we've got capacity to grow that sector and to grow the gross value added of the Welsh economy. People are more aware of where food comes. They want more sustainable food production systems. They like their food system to come locally. Well, Tyfu Cymru offers a whole range of support on training, study tours, advice and guidance, opportunities for marketing. We're helping growers take their product to market, increase their sales, be more productive, be more technical efficient as well. It offers a number of growth potentials for growers across all the mini sectors within horticulture. So what lies ahead for the sector? I think there's quite a lot of potential change, but I think what we will see going forward is polytunnels and controlled environmental techniques to extend things like growing seasons. We're going to start to see more and more of use of genetics to grow plants that are adapted to Welsh climates. I think we're going to use technology, best practice, knowledge transfer to help growers to develop the growing side of it, and I think we're going to start to see more and more digital sales and marketing to help take those products to a wider marketplace.